Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Jupyter notebook to GitHub. This is an essential skill if you're working on data science or programming projects and want to share your work or collaborate with others through version control. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your username and password to access your GitHub account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, make sure to complete that step as well before proceeding. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your GitHub dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can see all your repositories and recent activity. Look over to the left panel of your dashboard where you'll find a list of your repositories. From here, click on the specific repository where you want to upload your Jupyter notebook. This could be an existing project repository or a dedicated space you've created for your notebooks. Once you're inside your chosen repository, direct your attention to the top section of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Add File. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with a couple of options. From this menu, select Upload Files. This action will take you to a new page specifically designed for uploading content to your repository. On the upload page, you'll see an option that says Choose Your Files. Click on this button to open your computer's file browser. This allows you to navigate through your local directories to find the Jupyter notebook you want to upload. Jupyter notebooks typically have a .ipynb extension, making them easy to identify. Browse through your folders and locate your Jupyter notebook file. Once you've found it, select it and click Open. Your file will now be queued for upload, and you should see its name appear on the GitHub page, confirming that it's ready to be added to your repository. The final step is to commit your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you'll find a section for commit messages. You can add a brief description of what you're uploading if you'd like, though GitHub will provide a default message. When you're ready, click the Commit Changes button. GitHub will process your upload, and within moments, your Jupyter notebook will be live in your repository, accessible to anyone with permission to view it. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your Jupyter notebook to GitHub. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.